Yo, what's up? In this video, we're going to be talking about the difference between a vegan, vegetarian, and someone who eats plant-based. Now, throughout my life, people have gotten this very confused because you hear the term vegan and you be like, someone's vegan's obviously plant-based, and like someone who's vegetarian, you know what I mean? Like a lot of vegetarians go vegetarian because, they don't want to see animals being like exploited and stuff like that. So like sometimes people get really confused about what is what. So someone who is vegetarian excludes animal flesh. So they don't like animal flesh. Don't mess with beef or don't mess with chicken. If someone's vegetarian, but the byproducts such as milk, such as eggs, cheese, and stuff like that. Someone who's vegetarian is okay with that. Someone who eats a whole food, plant-based lifestyle is someone who's made like a committed decision towards their health through nutrition. Someone who is vegan has made a committed decision against animal exploitation that also includes what they put in their mouth. So this is an important distinction, because someone who eats a whole food plant-based lifestyle may exclusively not eat any animal products. However, there are some people who eat a whole food plant-based lifestyle who may have like a little bit of meat, a little bit of fish, a little bit of eggs, a little bit of this, and they may care about animals. But some people who just have adopted this, like, I'm a whole food plant-based, they may not give a crap about like buying fur, wearing fur, you know what I mean, like just supporting industries that are completely like just exploiting animals. And that's the main distinction. Someone who is vegan has made a committed decision against animal cruelty as best as possible. And another thing to note is that just because someone is vegan, that doesn't mean they eat healthy. That's a big distinction as well. Just because you're a vegan, it just tells me what you don't eat. Being vegan just tells me what you don't eat and the sort of lifestyle you're committed to supporting. But it doesn't tell me if you're healthy or not. The goal of this channel is healthy vegans, people who are against animal cruelty, animal exploitation, and seek to avoid it as best as possible, and for people who want to be healthy too. So if that sounds like you, boom, hit the subscribe. I'll see you in another video.